In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Quora Ads. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Quora Ads. You're looking for the official Quora advertising page, which is usually labeled Quora for Business or Ads Manager. Double-check the domain so you know you're landing on the real site, then click through. Once the page loads, log into your Quora account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to the ads interface. If not, enter your credentials to continue. Using the same account you use to participate on Quora helps keep permissions simple. Next, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it to open the account menu. In that menu, choose Create Ad. This begins the account setup flow and only takes a couple of minutes. You'll be asked for an account name and a contact email. The account name is what your team will see inside the Ads Manager, so choose something clear, like your company or brand name. For the contact email, use an address that's monitored regularly so you don't miss billing notices or policy updates. When you're done, click Next. On the following screen, add your business name and website, then select your industry from the drop-down. This helps Quora tailor recommendations and may influence available targeting options. Enter your full website URL, including HTTPS, so tracking and previews work correctly. Use your official business name to keep invoices consistent. Selecting an industry simply guides recommendations. You can still target broadly later. Choose your billing region and preferred currency as well. Make sure the region matches where your payment method is based, and pick the currency you plan to report in, since changing it later can be difficult. Review everything for accuracy, then click Start Advertising. This completes the initial setup and creates your Quora Ads account so you can access the campaign dashboard. Before you dive in, check your inbox for a message from Quora and confirm your email address to activate the account. If you don't see it, look in your spam or promotions folder. And consider safe listing the sender so future notifications arrive reliably. The confirmation step is important. Without it, some features may remain limited. That's it. You've opened the site, selected the official link, logged in, used the profile menu to create an ad account, entered your account and business details, set your region and currency, started advertising, and confirmed your email. You're now ready to explore campaigns, audiences, and budgets inside Quora Ads.